Welcome to our channel. If you want to subscribe to SiriusXM satellite radio, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your account and start enjoying your service. Step 1. Find your radio ID, which is an 8 or 12-character number typically found in your car's radio display or in the vehicle manual. Step 2. Visit SiriusXM.com or download the SiriusXM app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Click Subscribe or Sign Up on the website, or tap Subscribe in the app. Step 4. Enter your radio ID when prompted to verify your receiver. Step 5. Choose your subscription plan. Options include different tiers with varying channel packages and prices. Step 6. Review the plan details including monthly price, included channels, and any promotional offers. Step 7. Click Continue to proceed to the account creation page. Step 8. Enter your personal information including name, email address, phone number, and create a password. Step 9. Enter your billing address and payment information. You can pay with a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Step 10. Review your subscription details and total cost, then click Complete Purchase or Subscribe Now. Step 11. You'll receive a confirmation email with your account details and subscription information. Step 12. Your radio may take up to 15 minutes to refresh and activate. If it doesn't activate automatically, tune to channel 1 and wait for the signal to refresh. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.